In this video, you will see how to insert current date in PowerPoint like this. To insert current date in PowerPoint, first you need to go to the Home tab and click on Insert Text Box and then click inside the slide. So you will get a text box like this. You can increase the font size if you want to. After increasing the font size, go to the Insert tab and here you will see the option of date and time. You need to click on this icon and under this date and time window you will see here different formats of date. For example, you can select the first one 1/25/25, or you can select Saturday January 25/25. So these are the formats. You can just select any one of the format, and after selecting the format, if you want this date to be updated automatically every day when you open the PowerPoint, you can take this option and then click on insert. So the date will be added, and you can also just increase or decrease the font size as per your requirement like this. You can make it bold or change the color of the date if you want to. In this way you can insert current date in PowerPoint quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn PowerPoint quickly. See you again in the next one.